So these are all the parts that you'll need to install your cover shelf. So there'll be 2 blocks, 2 supports. You have 2 different kits of bushing, spacer, should I say, sorry. One would be Hydroopool, the other one would be for Jacuzzi hot tubs. Then you will have 8 screws with 8 washers. Then you'll have 4 mounting plates, 2 support brackets with all the screws. And screws are basically 2 types. You got either the self-tapping that would go in the metal frame, or those particle screws that would go into the plastic board. Then you're gonna need a drill with a Robertson and a Phillips bit. You're gonna need a 1/2-inch drill bit and a 3/16 drill bit as well. That would be for pilot hole. Electric tape, measuring tape, any other kind of tape could do the trick, but that would be basically all the tools and parts you need in order to install the new cover shelf on any of our products.
Begin by removing the 3 screws from each gap lap. Next, remove the panel and set it aside. Attach the plates to both supports using the particle board screws. Install the support 8 inches on center from the vertical frame rail. Secure using the self-tapping screws. Repeat on the other side. Now, using tape, mark the left and right edges of the support on the acrylic so you know where to mount the bracket. Reinstall the panel. Install the metal support on the panel side of the bracket. Leave at least 1 inch exposed so it can hook under the acrylic when you fasten it to the panel. Slide the metal bracket under the acrylic lip and center the bracket between the 2 pieces of tape to ensure it is directly over the support you installed earlier. Drill pilot holes using a 3/16 drill bit through the holes on the cover shelf. Then remove the shelf and re-drill the holes you just made with a 1/2-inch drill bit. Next, install the appropriate bushing sleeves from the kit. Now reinstall the bracket, making sure the holes are aligned with the bushings you just installed. Fasten the shelf with the 3-inch screws along with the supplied washers. Repeat on the other side and then reinstall the gap lap.